Hello guys, this is Corey from Sportsland. Today we're going to be going around a new 2023 for a 2024 build. It's a 2700 toy hauler stealth. For starters, we got a nice entry grab handle so you can get in and out nice and easy. Sure steps that are solid by MoreRide. The door has a sprung hinge so it doesn't fly up, and it's like basically up to 30-mile-an-hour wind it'll hold back on. You got a large awning out here that's going to run 3/4 of the trailer. It's all electric. You're going to have LEDs underneath to light up your campsite. You've also got some speakers out here for entertainment, so if you want to sit out and relax outside you can. Makes things a lot nicer. Come up here to the front. You're going to have electric stabilizer jacks all the way around, 4 of them. We'll go and see the other ones. You also have a quick disconnect propane for your barbecues, heaters, whatever you bring, etc. You've got magnetic clips for your storage door. Huge storage in here, guys. You got plenty of room for lots of stuff to put in and out of it. The ladder in here is for the beds inside. We're going to go show you that here in a minute. For the bunks. Coming up here, you've got a nice bright cargo light, and bright for backing up as well, but you also have a light on the jack that helps you back up and guide you in. It's an electric jack here. 2 30-pound bottles of propane. Has room for 2 batteries on the front, which gives you plenty of room for lithium, 6 volts, whatever you want to put on there. Also comes with a disconnect for your batteries, so your batteries aren't going to die. Little storage door here for your sewer hose. Nice little place to get it out and away from things. Comes with the MPS 4500 generator. It's inverted. Big enough power to run about anything you need. 6-gallon water heater that's propane. Another cargo dumping light here for helping you dump everything. Nice plug in. Here's your exhaust for your heater. This is your fresh water fill up in here. And the city water there. It's got a black tank flush, which is, excuse me, this is the black tank flush right here, so you can flush the sewer tank. And gets things all nice and clean inside. This is a new thing for winterizing. This will winterize the system. Then you got your outside shower here. And your little slide out here that we'll go over here in a second. You've got your filling out here for your gas, for all your toys, your gas pumps, everything. It's a 40-gallon gas pump in it. You're gonna have, your tank is all under storage here. It's all under for the weather. It's a under closed belly, so it keeps it good for the winter. Here's your ramp to get in and out of, which has the cables, so you can sit out here on the patio if you want, bring your chairs out and hang out here. It does have a curtain that drops down that keeps the breeze, the dust, the wind, everything out if you want to run that for the more room out here. Let's come on inside and we'll go over it. And there again, guys, you got 4 stabilizing jacks. It's all power, all push button, lifting up and down, so it stabilizes the rig. Tinted windows for privacy. Also your heat keeps things out all the way around. Makes things a lot nicer for staying inside. Also, I forgot to tell you this, you got 16-inch tires and wheels on it. So it gets you up a little bit higher, but gives you a little bit better clearance, everything that you need. And just on the inside of the trailer, guys, you got your panel here that controls everything, all your lights, everything, your bed, your slide out, everything is all controlled right here on this. Your awning, and it's all listed, and it's all very nicely listed. All your lights for your tanks, everything's all in here. Your batteries, so you're gonna know how to turn things on and off with everything being listed. You've got your bunk bed up here that lowers down, it's all electric, all LED lit back in here. There's your curtains that do drop down that give you privacy. wind curtain, and also gives you a mosquito mesh in it so you can get in and out. You've got privacy curtains here that roll up nice and easy out of the way. Gives your table back here that will turn into a bed. So they're basically queen beds back here, so you can fit 2 people on them very easily. Very nice. Here's your slide out now. It's all new for this year that they've built. They put your TV in it with a nice fireplace in it. You can have your fireplace going for heat, running things. You don't necessarily run your heat, but definitely if you're going to keep your tanks nice and warm, run your floor heat. So into the kitchen area, you got a 1.5 cubic foot convection oven in here. Makes things nice for cooking things if you want inside, like a oven. As you do know that we do not have an oven in here. You got your burners right here. It's a 3 burner stove. It's got your window back there for light. You've got nice cabinetry in here for pots, pans, drawers, of whatever you want to put in them. They're nice and deep. Nice access for everything, all your hoses, your water pumps, winterizing and everything. There's your silverware drawer. Into the kitchen here again, guys, you got a 10 cubic foot fridge that's all electric, 12 volts. Very nice, got plenty of room, 2-door. Plenty of room for all your stuff that you want to bring. You've got your stereo here, that's going to run inside and outside. Also your DVD player in here as well. Here's your generator start. Everything's outside and accessible. You do have a 260 watts of solar on the roof. That's going to keep your batteries nice and charged. Plenty of power. More cabinets for what you need to store. You got recliner chairs here for relaxing and hanging out. You can put those out on the patio if you need to. Nice little table here for coffee, whatever you do, just kind of a nice little table to hang out with. 16 feet of cargo space in here, I do believe, guys, that will hold up to about anything. There are some out there that they don't hold, but we can definitely put stuff in here and make sure it fits. Got your nice vanity here for the bathroom, glass shower, nice and easy and round in here. It gives you plenty of room to shower. You've got your porcelain tub, toilet here, excuse me. It's all heated in here to keep things nice and warm, keep things from freezing, so it stays nice and warm. Here's your solar panel right here. That's going to tell you what's charging, and also your heat and air conditioning. Then we step in here in the bedroom, guys. You got a nice big king size bed. Windows on both sides that open so you get a nice breeze if needed to, but you also have a nice hatch above you to keep some air flowing in here. You've got 2 good size wardrobes in here, 1 on each side. Gives you a couple shelves on the back sides as well, so you can put phones and wallets, whatever you want back there, and kind of hide them. This is a new 2023 into the 24 year Stealth model in the 2700. If you have any questions, get a hold of us at Sportsland. I'm Corey. Thanks.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dreams that live.